Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I have an iPhone case haul. I have this iPhone 11 case I ordered on Amazon, and it says it's the Casemate brand, but I'm not sure if it's the same Casemate brand of the one that I like. So it has these paint splashes on it. It's super cute. It's called spray paint. Says it's protective, and it was $40. It says $40, but I think I got it for like $33, and it fits the iPhone 11 or the XR. Now this is the Casemate brand that I'm familiar with, and I really like the Casemate brand. That looks like this. And this is for my iPhone 8 Plus because I still do use it, and it has real flowers pressed inside, and it's protective. So as you can see, these two Casemate packages look very different, so they might be different brands. So I also got another lips, pop grip lips. This one is in the flavor vanilla, and it has little flowers on the front, or that might be like vanilla flowers, or vanilla comes from a flower, I think. So that's what it looks like. And then on the back it shows you how to put it together. So as you know, like in a previous video, I got this one, and it's a cotton candy pop grip lips. So I saw the vanilla and I thought I would get that. They also have cherry. So I think I'm going to use the cotton candy lip grips with the flower case, but I'm not sure yet. So let me know which is your favorite. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.